clueless, so foolish. Why can't it be the same now? You wish, so foolish. What happened on the way here? I used to fly, now I fall and die. My dreams wave goodbye to the cicadas, buzzing loudly on the summer walk. But see now on the road, it's just a backdrop. I guess this is our life now. Get used to disappointment, they say, but can't we leave a little room for the cicadas in the backdrop? The cicadas in the backdrop. The cicadas in the backdrop. Keep me sane inside my head. Keep me sane inside my head. Keep the little kid in me alive. Oh, the cicadas hate us, but now it's like they're falling from the trees. The only difference being that they rise up to the heavens. Oh, the pain to see my life transform before my eyes today and every day until I really die inside. Can't wait to really die inside. Is that how I'm supposed to lie? Are all of my knots tied? Or do I still got a minute to ponder on the matter of the future? Cause it matters more than ever now. I'm fighting all of these decisions and scenarios inside my head. It's never said that I will lose the cicadas inside my head. Cicadas in the backdrop. Keep me sane inside my head. Keep me sane inside my head. Keep the little kid in me alive. I never thought that he would die, but he did die.